Welcome to the lush wetlands, where sprawling catfish farms produce millions of pounds of America's favorite fish, catfish. Known for its crispy golden fillets in southern dishes like po' boys and fried catfish, this fish is a staple in U.S. kitchens. Here in Asia, cutting-edge farms are revolutionizing aquaculture, supplying high-quality catfish to markets worldwide, including the USA. The journey begins with the miracle of life. Farmers carefully harvest eggs from female catfish, identifiable by their signature barbels, or whiskers. Using advanced artificial insemination, eggs are fertilized with sperm from male fish in controlled systems that mimic natural river conditions. These high-tech hatcheries maintain precise water temperatures and oxygen levels, ensuring a high hatch rate. Each season, millions of eggs are nurtured, hatching into fry within days, ready to kickstart the next generation of this beloved fish. After 2 weeks, the fry are transferred to vast ponds, where they're raised in a sustainable multi-age system that maximizes space and output. The fish are fed nutrient-rich pellets made in on-site factories, blending grains like corn with protein from sustainable sources, such as fish meal or plant-based alternatives. These pellets, ground fine for young fry, are pumped into ponds using automated food guns mounted on specialized vehicles. This high-tech feeding system not only ensures efficient delivery, but also allows farmers to monitor fish health, checking for vibrant movement and clear water, a sign of a thriving herd. A critical component of these farms is the oxygen supply system, powered by solar energy or efficient tractors, which runs during the day to keep water oxygen-rich. Advanced sensors monitor oxygen levels, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. This eco-friendly approach reduces energy costs and aligns with America's growing demand for sustainable seafood, certified by standards like the Aquaculture Stewardship Council. Compared to salmon farming, catfish require less feed and space, making them a greener choice for the future. After 10–12 months, the catfish reach 1–2 pounds, ready for harvest. Using modern nets and water pumps, farmers collect millions of fish annually, which are swiftly processed into fillets, frozen, or packed for export. Rigorous FDA-compliant standards ensure every piece meets U.S. quality expectations. Catfish isn't just food, it's a cultural icon. In the US, it stars in soul food classics, while in Asia, it's grilled or steamed with bold spices. This farm-to-table story blends tradition, technology, and sustainability, delivering a fish that's as delicious as it is eco-conscious. Whether you're a foodie, a tech enthusiast, or passionate about sustainable farming, this journey will hook you. Subscribe for more incredible stories and share your favorite catfish recipe in the comments.